In today's video, we will discuss the screening stage of the product innovation framework. In working with product professionals, the same question always comes up. How do you take all of these great ideas and decide which ones to actually work on? This is where screening comes in. Good screening leads to a clear understanding of how each idea will provide value to your customers and your organization. It's more than just a gut feeling, there is a process. When building out your screening process, there are some key components that you want to include to ensure success. You want to start with an identified business problem that includes user personas in your market. If your business problem or opportunity is tied too closely to internal desires and you cannot associate it with a business problem or pain that your actual users are feeling, then it's not a good problem for you to continue to look at. Number 2, always include a hypothesis of what success would look like if you were to deliver against this opportunity. Your hypothesis should also include what those measurements of success should be. And 3, make sure you're including your voice of customer data in your screening analysis. Are you leveraging your generative data on how you got this information or how you got to this opportunity? And did you use evaluative campaigns in your voice of customer program to support your opportunity analysis and provide depth to your review? If you include these 3 components, then your screening process will lead to successful deliveries. Once you've gathered the necessary data points, now it's the hard part. You actually have to make a decision on what to do with this opportunity. The first thing you ask is, how well does this business problem and hypothesis align with your corporate strategy? If it doesn't align with your corporate strategy, it might be a good idea, just not a good idea for you. The next thing you'll ask is this a build, buy, or partner decision? Is this part of your core or not? And the next is, how valuable is this opportunity compared to other opportunities you've evaluated? This is the hard one, because you're going to have to make some tough decisions around where you focus your efforts as you leave the screening stage. This is where you kind of go into prioritization and evaluate what's now, what's next, what's later. And you might find that this is a really good opportunity, but can it fall in one of those now, next, later buckets? And you may find that although it's interesting, it might not be valuable enough to continue to evaluate and move forward with. Now, at this point, you're probably thinking, okay, these are all great pointers, but how do you do it? So what I'm going to share with you are a few of my favorite tools. These aren't tools that I'm being paid to promote. These are just tools that I use in my actual day-to-day business. The first tool that I'm going to talk about is Product Board. Product Board is a product management tool that allows primarily for product managers to manage feature ideas and prioritize and show them in a roadmap. But it has some other really great capabilities, and insights management is one of them. The insights functionality allows you to aggregate all of the feedback you're getting from your different voice of customer channels into a single repository. You can then use the Product Board tools to consolidate, tag, and group those insights. And by evaluating the insights through the Product Board functionality, you can actually decide what features you want to go into screening. And then once you're in screening, you can go back to the insights functionality in Product Board to find that data that supports your decisioning and evaluation process. The second tool that I recommend is Jeff Patton's Opportunity Canvas. The Opportunity Canvas gives you a structure to your screening process, and it actually takes you from screening all the way to concept development. I love this tool. It's pretty straightforward. If you go to Jeff Patton's site, he does a great job of explaining how to use the canvas. So it's definitely something that I incorporate within my practice. And the last tool I'm going to recommend to you today is Ant Murphy's Opportunity Canvas 2.0, or what I like to call the mini canvas. With the mini canvas, you get just a streamlined version of Jeff's opportunity canvas that focuses on those key components that I talked about earlier in the video. It's quick, it's easy, it gets straight to the point. And so when you're really not trying to spend a lot of time digging into the idea, it helps you get that sense of feeling without just going with your gut. So definitely take a look at Ant Murphy's website and his opportunity canvas. So to summarize, Product Board is a great tool for aggregating and evaluating insights in your Voice of Customer program. Use Jeff Patton's opportunity canvas to take you from screening all the way to concept development. And use Ant Murphy's Opportunity Canvas 2.0 for a quick review of an opportunity that may have value into your organization. Reach out to me to learn how I can help you improve your screening processes at any stage within the product innovation framework.